Hey everyone, welcome to another day of Advent of Code. Let's get started in a couple of seconds. Oh, this looks super cool. Excuse me. Okay, so it looks like we've got lists, we just have to reverse chunks of it. So input's pretty small. A equals input split. I can't type. Make it a list. Okay, so now what do we have to do for each chunk? So we take that size cyclically, reverse that section, and then move our pointer. Okay, so x equals list range, how many? 256. And then pointer equals 0. So for A, S equals P, E equals P plus Y minus 1. And that's the range. So now we need to reverse that range, and it's cyclic. So what we can do is we can say file. So we need to reverse that range. I see. So let's move it. Let's rearrange our list so that S is at the front. So we can say B equals A from P to the N plus A up to P. And we can do that because it's cyclic. Then we just reverse that, the first Y characters. So B equals B up to Y reversed plus B from Y to the N. Now we need to kind of move it back. So A equals B plus B. And I think it's like P to the... These might need to be negative. We'll print and see. Yeah, let's just print it and make sure it makes sense. So to be safe, I'm not really going for time here. I just... I don't know. I'm kind of tired, so let's just do this slowly. So range 5. Oops, that's not how that works. And then instructions are 3, 4, 1, 5. Wow, that didn't make any sense. Alright, let's print the intermediate steps. Huh, okay. So P is 0. Ignore that garbage. So P is 0, 0 to the N plus up to P. And then we get just 5. Okay, that works. And then, okay, so now we take the first Y characters and reverse them, plus the remainder. So that's where it's getting fucked up. Let's do this dumb way. Our arrays are really small, so we can do stupid stuff like this. That looks better. Why? What? Oh, I flipped the... Let's flip these. Yeah, okay, no wonder it didn't make sense. Good thing I tested. This would have been a nightmare to figure out on the last problem. Or on the actual input. So 1, 2, 3, 4, reverse it, and then you get 2, 1, 0, 3, 4. Perfect. So now all we need to do is increment P. So now P equals P plus Y, P bot equals len of A. Let's see if we get the input we're expecting. 21034. Oh, yikes. All right, so let's see where it breaks. 21034, and then finally the skip size increases to 1. The sublist is reversed to form that, so our array should become 43012. Yeah, that's not working. I bet when we stitch it back together, we're messing up. Let's try negative p, just because I don't feel like thinking. Still? What the hell? Oh, yeah, no wonder. 2415. Yeah, I'm not sure what's going on. Alright, step by step. Oh, there's a skip size? What is that? I gotta read. Ugh. So skip size starts at 0. So we can say like s equals 0 equals p plus y plus s plus equals 1. 3, 4, 1, 5. And that's why we read. Cool. So now oh no, what's the input? First two numbers in the list. 101 times 113 is 11413. Yay! Alright, next step. ASCII codes. Whoa. Okay, 49 is ASCII for 1. I guess that's comma. Okay, so this is 1, 2, 3. What is this? What is this stuff? I don't get it. Once you have determined the sequence of lengths to use, add the following lengths to the end of the sequence. Oh, okay, sure. 64 rounds. The current position and skip size. What? This is just rubbish. Okay, let's it's a little more complicated, but that's fine. Let's see how extensible this is. So add equals that, but we need to make it an int array or list. It's Python, and now like x equals. Let's look at our input. So x no longer equals that. X equals like is it cur or ord? I think it's ord of c for c in input. So that'll get us all the ASCII characters, and then that adds the rubbish at the end. Make sure I strip out the new lines. No junk. Okay, and I'll print it to be safe. So now we add the add stuff, and now we now we get this like dense block thing. So what we do is we say for same length sequence, current position and skip size. Okay. Sure. We can get 16 numbers. Alright, so 64. Run this that many times. And then you just, at the end, instead of printing it, we print this ASCII thing. So for I in range, 0 to 256 of length 16, Then our block equals with an array A from I to I plus 16. Val equals reduce from Python 3. So we need to reduce the values in block with the XOR operator. I'm sure there's a better way of doing this, but you know, I'm kind of going for speed. And then out, say out is a list. We want the character value of that, right? So when we XOR all of it, we get 64. Oh, we just wanted it in hex. Okay, not the character value. And then just print going out. Okay, cool. So I guess that makes sense. Now, see, the thing is, I don't understand these example hashes because that seems to imply that you have some kind of input, right? Oh, I see what it's saying. Okay. Guess we can give it a try. Date10.py. Reduce arg2 multi-port iteration. Do I not know how reduce works? Do I reverse the keywords? That would totally be something I do. Just like forgetting to hit enter. Yeah, this is a... Oh my god. We need to strip that out. But A25828, A25828. Yeah, seems legit. So let's just strip out those leading OXs and then... Oops, I don't know what that is. Let's strip out those leading OXs and make sure it makes sense. 272, 272, perfect. So now the same puzzle input. I should have taken out those print statements. What was I thinking? It's not too late, actually. The smart thing to do would have been to like open up a new tab and do it there, but this ended up being faster. Oh no. Okay, so now we get the hash. Oh, no, that makes sense. Ignore any trailing or leading or trailing white space and then encounter. Let's print X to see if it makes sense and we're not adding anything. $49, $48, okay, comma, in 106, 16, so 106, comma, 16, comma, yeah, that seems right. And then at the end we had this like 1731, 73 rubbish, yeah. So let's reread this just to be triply safe. Okay, that makes sense. That makes sense. We're doing it in blocks, and we're passing for the empty string, so I'm not sure what's going on there. Oops. Let's double check. A2528303812. Yeah, that makes sense. Let's try with some other inputs. EF, CAA, 6CD. Yep. 1, 2, 3. Oh, you know what it is? I wonder if I deleted spaces from my puzzle input when I loaded it in. Let's just copy and paste it at the terminal and see if we get something different. So earlier I got 7ADF, 418D, 7ADF, 418D. What is the not hash of your puzzle input? I'm really not sure. This is definitely different. I'm using the blank 256. Okay, let's just call .strip on this to be safe. No, but that shouldn't matter since I'm just pasting it in. Second tries the charm. Maybe I pasted it in wrong. It's not the right answer. Well, this is embarrassing. Yeah, I'm really confused how I'm passing all of the other inputs, but I'm not passing this one. 5A, B. Yeah. Treating your puzzle input as a string of ASCII characters. I printed X and it made sense, right? There wasn't anything weird. So if I do this, 6 is gonna be like, so 49 is A, so, or 49 is 1. So 6 would be 54. Yeah, 2 is 0, so 6 is 4. Yeah, that makes sense. And then you add this 17, 31, 73. Yep. Unless otherwise specified. Oh. Yep. No, that's what I'm doing. Using the same length sequence in each round. Yep. Preserve between rounds. Absolutely. Same length sequence. Previous rounds, current position, and skip size. Doing all of that. Block XOR. Okay, let me just write this down so I know so I don't submit it again. And yeah, I mean, I guess I could clean this up, but since it's passing all of these tests, and I don't really know how to generate other tests, I'm willing to bet it's just something dumb, but I just don't know what that dumb thing could be. Every round, I don't reset the skip or the position. Yeah, I'm hard-pressed to imagine how I could be passing these but failing that. Especially this one, because this is long and it has a space and all kinds of rubbish. Maybe this means something in ASCII, and you're supposed to output that. Curve input X for X and out. And it's in base 16, so we can parse it like that. Okay, whoops, that's not the input. Nope, that's still rubbish. That would make sense. I wouldn't expect it to be rubbish. I wouldn't expect it to mean anything. Alright, I think I have to go now, but I'll try finishing up this video later. See you guys. Hey everyone. So it turns out I didn't actually have to go, so let's finish debugging this. This is super frustrating. Because I'm insane, I'm gonna do the same thing over again and expect new results. Oops. Oh, whatever. Wait, what? Oh, no, that makes sense. Am I not printing enough characters? Oh my god, I'm off by 2 characters, so that must mean I'm missing a block. There's no chance I'm missing a block. I wonder if... I'm so tilted. Okay, so the issue is I'm not doing this part right. I'm converting to hex values. You need to make sure it's 0 padded. So I don't know, out equals hex of C if len of out is 1, we want to 0 pad it. Yeah. Oh, and I need to actually print the output instead of just the length. What am I doing? Willing to bet good money that was it. What? Why is it not printing anything? I'm so confused. Yeah, that seems right. So 3.3 EFEB. So printing it seems fine. If the length of out is 1, return 0 and out. Otherwise, just return out. I cannot fathom what is going on anymore. Oh, because, yeah, I'm just stripping everything. That's why you don't advent. I don't know. This is why you do it when it comes out. It's a better adrenaline rush. Alright, that was definitely not leaderboard worthy, but hopefully the next few puzzles will go better. Still a lot of fun though. Ooh, I love the little circuit diagram. I wonder, is there like a guide for what each of these little symbols mean? I'm also curious what it builds up to. Like the ones in prior years, I remember lighting that tower at the beginning of 2016. My calendar does not want to cooperate, that's fine. Yeah, like lighting up this tower felt super cool, and when you got the little train going here, like that was a lot of fun. It looks like this year it's procedurally generated, so I don't think you're gonna get any like whimsical little secrets like that, but I don't know, it still looks sick. Alright, see you guys in the next video.